Okay, guys, on to lesson 12. More with probability. These are these probability trees, or I'm sorry, probability tables called two-way tables, where there's two different variables. And we got to just basically be able to read this table and interpret what it's showing. Okay, pretty simple actually once you see it. So this table, it would be a survey was done of males and females of their favorite form of exercise, running, walking, biking, or other, and then this is the data for the table. You're going to be asked to actually come up with the problem yourself to show me your understanding on this. So it will say write a problem that involves and then answer the problem, answer the question, come up with a probability problem. So here's something something that would go along with this table. What is the probability that a person selected is let's say a male that enjoyed walking. Okay, so all we got to do is say, hey, male, enjoy walking. Okay, those two things meet here. Looking where they meet for and. I did male and, I should say and, because I'm supposed to use the word and enjoyed walking. Okay, that's a key thing. It says write something, it'll say write something with and. Okay, and is where they meet. Okay, male walking, we're talking 12. So 12 out of, you got to count how many total things are here. If I didn't screw up, there's supposed to be 60 things here total. So 12 out of 60, reduce that down, is what, 6 out of 30, it's 1/5, right? Or 20%, you could say. All right, that's an and problem. Okay, it'll ask you to do an or one. Write out a problem with or in it, and then answer the question that you come up with. So we could say this, what is the probability that a person selected is a male or enjoyed walking? Okay, so it's a matter of interpreting what that means. Oops, enjoyed walking. Eat. Okay, so or they're a male or they enjoyed walking. So it include all these, all the males, and it would include all these, right? Because it's either one or the other. It's either male. Okay, that would be, these are all males. These are all people that enjoyed walking. So we're including all of them. Okay, so we really need to add all those together. Plus the 4. Okay, don't double count the 12, even though it got overlapped here. Count these plus that one. Okay, so I'm counting everything that's in this row plus, and then everything that's in this row. Add them all together. 15, 25, 30, 34, I think I get. 18. Out of 60 again, there's 60 people total. So 17/30ths if I reduce that. Okay, so that's the people that were male or enjoyed walking. So I counted up, or you include everything. The last type will say write a conditional probability. Okay, so conditional is given. It'll say something like this, or you want to say something like this, given. You want to use that word. Given the person selected is a male. That's that conditional part. You're going to start it with given that it's one of these things. What is the probability that he enjoyed walking? We'll just stick with that. Okay. So given that it's a male, that's the conditional thing. When it says do conditional probability, you'll start your sentence with given one of these things. You can choose what you want. You could say given female. You could say given they're a runner, but I said given male. So we're only looking at this column. We're looking at walking, so it's 12. but now it's just out of this side because it's given it was a male. We're only looking at the males. So 12 out of 30. So given that it was a male, there's a 12 out of 30 chance that that male enjoyed walking. In other words, just look at the males. Okay, reduce that down. 6 out of 15. Actually reduces again. 2 out of 5. So a 2 out of 5 chance that they will that they'll enjoy walking, given that it's a male. Okay, that's that conditional. So you're going to be asked to do those three things. Do an and problem, write it out. You can choose, you can write what you want and answer it. I just got your goal is to show me understanding. Write an or one, and then write a conditional, which is a given one. I'm trying to have you show me your understanding so you can kind of write out whatever problem you want as long as it's logical.